Today we're going to learn how to use the VLOOKUP function in Excel. VLOOKUP helps us search for something in a list and quickly find related information. We'll use our file with cars and their prices. If you want to follow along, you can download the practice Excel file from the link included in the description. Here we have a list of cars in column A and their prices in column B. For example, Toyota Corolla costs $22,000 and Tesla Model 3 costs $50,000. Imagine I want to know the price of a specific car, but instead of scrolling through the list, I want Excel to do the searching for me automatically. On the right side, you see a box that says Look Up Car. Right now it says Toyota Corolla. Below we have the price, which is filled by a formula. In cell E2, we have this formula. Let's break it down step by step. First, E1. This is the box where we type the car we're looking for. Next, A2 to B11. That's the range of our table. Column A has the car names and column B has the prices. Then we have the number 2. This tells Excel once you find the car, go to the second column of the table and bring me that value. In our case, the second column is the price. And finally, false. This means only give me the result if the car name is an exact match. No guessing, no close matches. Excel must find the exact name we typed. Now let's test it. I'll change the lookup car in E1 from Toyota Corolla to Honda Civic. What happens? Yes, the price changes to $24,000 automatically. Now it's your turn. In cell E1, type different car names from the list like Tesla Model 3 or BMW 3 Series. Watch how the price updates. Here's an important tip. If you want to add more costs later, without changing the formula, you can make your table an Excel table. Select your data, A1 to B11, go to Insert, press Table, and make sure My Table has headers is checked. Excel will turn your range into a dynamic table. Now your VLOOKUP formula can use the table name instead of a fixed range. For example, the table name here is Table 3. So we replace table 3 with the fixed range in the VLOOKUP function. Now let's test it. For example, we add a new car named Ford Focus with a price of $21,000. And we search for it, and we see its price displayed below. So VLOOKUP is like a dictionary. You give it a word, it looks down the first column, and it gives you the matching value from another column. And by using an Excel table, your formula keeps working even when you add new data. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more Excel tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.